So, I did a thing called randonauting yesterday. And what is randonauting? Well, it's a new thing on the internet, and it's kind of interesting. And I thought I would try it out. So I'm gonna show you my first attempt. I'm gonna do more, but I'll show you my first attempt. Okay, I'm going to read this, and sorry about the hammering. They're doing something upstairs. Um, okay, the basic premise of the Randonaut app is to encourage users. I'm going to turn off my fan. Okay, that's better. The basic premise of the Randonaut app is to encourage users to explore blind spots in their so-called consciousness, but before they set off on their explorations, the user, dubbed a randonaut, is urged to set an intention. When the app prompts a randonaut to set an intention, it's asking the user to think of something he or she hopes to encounter while exploring the area. Before venturing out, a person might think, for example, about cats, intending or hoping to see a cat. Another person could set their intentions as guidance or even the color blue. There are no rules as to what a person can set as an intention. Where the user goes is determined. I'm reading this here. Hi, me in the background. Okay. Where the user goes is determined by a quantum random number generator. What the heck is a quantum random number generator? You ask, reader. Did you ask? Well, to keep it simple, too late. There are random number generators, RNGs, and quantum random number generators, QRNGs. A simple random number generator can return a random sequence of numbers. You still with me? However, the results are not considered truly random. That's because random number generators run by computers, which are inherently deterministic, have limits and predetermined number sequences that the generator spits out. Okay, it may sound confusing and there's a bit more to it than what I'm reading out, but I only have so much time in my day. If you are the slightest bit interested, I urge you to explore the Randonautica app on various app stores and download it. Soon, if you have enough interest in the mysterious or just a plain fun way to make your walks outside, you will find this a nice way to spend some time. So, it's a bit of a fad on YouTube and TikTok, and some kids did this, I mean, for excitement, but some kids purposely look for scary things and purposely go there in the dark. And the Randonaut generator tells you to preferably do this in the daytime and do this with people. Oh God, you know, there's no way I can do this without showing you the mess in the background. So just try to pretend the mess in the background is not there. It's like, hi. So that's what I did yesterday. I tried. Was I successful? Well, it's up to you. I don't think so, but I am going to try again. So, take a look at this. Okay, here comes my bus. It's the next leg of my journey. Okay guys, wait a minute. I don't see a doll, so that's a nix on this one. No dolls. Not even in the car. So that's a no for the first time at Randonauting. Well, no one did say it was an absolute. Ooh, cougar sighting. Okay, well, I'm not going in there. Anyway, so first randonauting didn't get me anything. Well, I said to myself, I said, I'm gonna do more than one today. So, yeah, I can't even think of anything that would even stir up memories of a doll here. So, I see trails and bushes, trees, cars, a church, and more cars. So, I guess what I'm gonna do is walk a bit, find another bus, or I could walk a bit, find a bus stop, and then, yeah, I think I'll do that, and then try to figure out where I'm gonna go next. All right, so, okay. So as you can see, didn't really work. I don't know if everybody who talks about these, if they just show their successes, or if they have success every time. I don't know, but that was my first one, and I found zilch. But it's not going to stop me, because I kind of like exploring, and I kind of like treasure hunts, and that's what it reminds me of, so I'm going to keep doing it. But now I want to show you the latest update on my little baby birdies, who are so cute. And see, here's my two little babies. One is notably more feathered than the other. They're coming through with a nice blue. Look at them trying to cuddle. And yeah, I'll take the little one out first. Come on, littles. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, littles. Come on. No, don't fall. I don't want you to fall, honey. Yeah. Little littles. Look at your feathers. Look at your little eyes. Yeah. Oh, you're so nervous. I won't hold you long, honey. They're just little babies. Yeah, they're so sweet. Little button eyes. Okay. I'll go get the bigger one. Come on. Come on. Come on, honey. Don't. Here, don't. Look. Oh, littles. Yeah. Yeah. Why are you hanging on to my... You're crawling on my shirt. Look it. Oh, look how sweet. Oh, you just pooped, didn't you? Yeah. Oh, what a sweetie. Oh, you are so pretty. You are so pretty. Okay, honey. Yes, I can see you. Yeah, you're trying to bite me, aren't you? Yeah. You're trying to bite me. Hey, don't bite me. Okay. Yeah. 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 My goodness. Yeah, so as you can see, they're getting pretty big. The bigger one keeps poking her face out the window. She's a 10 days, or he, 10 days ahead, and I will not know who's a male and who's a female until their nose colors come in. So I'm going to try and find them some gender-free names until their nose color comes in. So there we go. Update on the two little wee fellas, or girls, or both.